number 64 is on cotton handlooms. All Bengal handlooms, hand woven by the weavers of Bengal, and it's our pride that our weavers are creating such beautiful regular wear, artistic and very pretty weaves in Bengal in the district of Fulia. So we'll start with Bengal cotton handlooms, mainly for corporate wear and office wear. Product number 1. It's in cotton handloom, 2,990 rupees, yellow and pink with matha par. It's a solid dual tone border in pink and yellow. The body is totally woven. See, it has a pretty weave throughout the sari. This is the pallu, tassels, very rich looking, especially if you have weddings in the house where you have to wear it on the haldi ceremony. This is a very pretty one, and even of course for Poila Boishakh. So this is the sari with pink dual tone blouse piece, 2,990 rupees, handloom cotton Bengal. See the weave in the pallu. Product number 2, similar one in blue and green combination, 2,990 rupees, blue and green. Sober, lightweight, and these widths are also very, the width is also very big. So those who are tall will feel very comfortable in draping these. This is the sari with, of course, dual tone parrot green blouse piece. Product number 3A, cotton black and white woven. We always fear wearing horizontal stripes, but on wearing like the one I'm wearing, these look very smart on wearing, because after draping, this part becomes almost vertical, diagonal. So this gives a very, it's a figure correction sari. Actually, I love wearing horizontal stripes. This is the pallu in white, milk white and grey black combination woven, soft, lightweight, and looks very nice with silver junks. Even for teachers and doctors, for lawyers. This is the blouse piece in grey color. This is the sari. And these cottons are very manageable. Not necessary that you'll always have to need starching or ironing. Just hang it in after 1 or 2 wears. Sometimes give for polish and then normal dry clean. So these are not, these doesn't need much maintenance. Like what I'm wearing, I've been wearing it since morning and it is not crushed at all. This is in Dudhe Alta red, matte red and white combination. Pallu, a very Bengali look sari. 3B. So 3 I'm showing 2 colors, black and red, black and white, red and white. And here is the blouse piece. This is the pallu, once again with tassels, and price only 1,650 rupees, 1650. Ideal for gifting also, 1,650 rupees. This is the first one that I showed. Again, I missed, maybe I've the numbering. This is 2990, product number 4. It's the third color of product number 1 and 2. Black and magenta. For summer evening wear, this is very pretty because we love black, and even in summer we love to wear black. So in that case, this cotton handloom in black and magenta is really, and this is mercerized cotton actually. It's very, the fall is very nice and definitely comfortable. This is the blouse piece. There is a stable thread in this handloom, so hence there's a, it looks a bit shiny, but there is a stable thread. Product number 5, cotton pure 3500, Ganga Jomuna Mathapar. Very elegant. See the pallu, see the weave of the pallu. The body will also have this intricate weave. This is pure cotton, 100% Bengal cotton. Ganga Jomuna border. This is the whole sari will be woven like this. This is the sari. And of course it has a very pretty woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See the weave changes. This is the blouse. 3,500 rupees. Bengal cotton handloom, product number 6. ₹3,350, 3350. Temple border, black and red with a touch of orange weave in the pallu. It's a very pretty temple because there are three, this 3-part temple, 3 corners in the temple. It's looking very smart on wearing, and of course there is a very pretty blouse piece, a lovely woven blouse piece with this sari. Just see the blouse piece. Very elegant and smart look even for gifting. 3,350 rupees. Now comes another pure cotton. With ghicha pallu. This is a lovely shade of peacock bluish green color. It feels like linen, cotton linen with cotton mathapar temple border. It's a very pretty shade, very rich shade. See the pallu. This is the ghicha woven. There will be buta all over. Especially the combination. The combination is very nice, and of course the fabric, the total look. This is the blouse piece. Now comes some colors. Multicolor checks in pure cotton. A very striking rich look in pure cotton handloom, pure cotton. This the check body with stripe pallu, and price product number 8 only 2000 rupees. This looks very smart. I love colored checks. It looks very smart on wearing. And even young girls, they look so nice when they, it has a blouse piece, but I would suggest better to wear a solid color blouse piece with this. Maybe just this is the blouse piece actually, but make the blouse, you can wear it with something else, because it will go, since it has so many colors, it will go with many of your chicken dhakais, cotton plain solid color saris. But I would suggest you go for a solid navy blue colors blouse piece. I think then this colors will also look nice, and then it will be not too much. I think navy blue will look very pretty, this color, or a purple. Only 2000 rupees. I'll show you two colors in this, in multi checks, pure cotton. This is a mauve dominated checks. This also looks very pretty. Even with this, you can go for a solid color of this matte purple, or a sea green, or a runny, any color, but I would still suggest you wear a solid color blouse with this. It has a zari woven border and a very smart look. You can make patiala bottom and a dupatta also with this, with a plain kurta. Looks very nice. See? Colorful yet very smart. Okay, now product number 10, cotton kota. Very pretty woven sari. Just see, this is the kota weave. Pure cotton kota, very good quality Bengal woven. See the woven border in red. See the pallu. There will be buttas above the pallu and throughout the body. Soft, lightweight and absolutely elegant piece of this hand weave. It has a running blouse, so you can wear it with a black blouse and use the border and keep the sari long, because these are very, anyway it's a very big width sari and a full length sari, so you can cut the blouse also. This is very pretty. Just see the beauty of this. This black beauty is really, really pretty, and I love the fabric. And this is price rupees 3,990 rupees. 3,990 rupees. The same one in another color. So this one I make only two colors. The traditional white and red, 3,990 rupees. I'll again tell you, you must, this is one sari, it has to be in your wardrobe, because it's an amazing fabric. Just see the weave, so neat. It looks like, you know, the Orissa, the shawls that traditional Orissa shawls, such a beautiful weave. Any age can wear this, and white and red we need for lot of occasions. Running blouse, of course. A red blouse with this border will also look very nice. Just see how very pretty sari. Now comes another cotton, 3,500 rupees. The color is greyish lavender, very light tone of a pastel shade lavender color. It's grayish powder blue kind of color, very unique color, with weave in black and red. Throughout there will be buta, no zari. Ganga Jamuna border, upper part will be in red, the lower part will be in black. These, you can wear comfortably in this weather throughout the day and go for your corporate meets, and again in evening if you have an office party. This is the blouse piece. Another color in product number, this is product number 13. This is a beige color. See the pallu, 3,500 again in beige. These are pure cotton handloom, 3,500. Ganga Jamuna border, hand woven with blouse piece in contrast. This is the blouse piece. Now I will show you some pure silk matkas from Bengal. Product number 14, 7,800. Silk matka with zari from Bengal. This is not the Banarasi matka. This is from Bengal, pure silk. Zari weave in the pallu and the border. All over buta in gold and red. Rich woven pallu. And very bright sari. You can wear it for any formal occasion. It's pure silk and reasonably priced. This is the blouse piece. Black and red. So I'll show you few colors in this. All the colors are very nice and lightweight, comfortable. See, this is a grey tone, grey and red. Extremely pretty. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. You can find more collections in the branches. We have our tailoring unit. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier, charges applicable, and we ship internationally also. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the products along with the description mentioned and send it to the WhatsApp number provided. WhatsApp only. After I give the confirmation, I'll send you the payment details, and once I receive the payment, it will be shipped within 2 to 3 working days. Within India, you will get the product in 5 to 6 days. Outside India, it will be 8 to 9 days, and if there is additional services that you require, like stitching of blouses or any other further services, then the time will be extended. Just see the bottle green and red combination. Pure silk motka in bottle green and red. Bengal product. Pallu. All over zari and resham buta. And of course, it has a red blouse piece. It's a very pretty color. All the colors in this concept are really rich. Now this is also a lovely shade. Purple and red. All same price. Please like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, only then you will get the notifications. There's a Facebook link that is going and the Insta link. These still photos will be uploaded in Facebook in the albums provided in the photo section. But for details, please watch the video for prices and details. This is the pallu. Beautiful shade of rich purple and red combination all over. Big woven buttas and zari woven bordered pallu and contrast blouse piece. Silk matka in purple and red. I'm showing you all the sarees, opening and showing you so that you can have an idea of how it looks after draping. See, so you can have a, each details I try to explain. The zari part, the back part of the weave, hand weave, if it's hand weave, the color I also mention, and even it's there in the description. So before booking, please be sure before you book, but since these are limited stock, I don't want to block it for those who really want it. Only then you please do the booking. It's first come, first serve basis. See this lovely cotton in grey color with weave. It seems it's katha weave, but it's woven, hand woven. See the stitches. It's a very pretty, very uncommon. It's just a new sari that has come. This is the matha border. Very elegant. Pallu. Price is 2500. 2500 rupees. In this range, pure cotton sari and woven, hand woven cottons. This is the whole sari. The blouse will be plain grey with border. The blouse will not have the katha weave. The blouse will be plain, but the sari will have this katha weave. And just see the pallu, especially the combination. I really like this actually. Soft pure cotton. Now product number 19, 2200, 2200, product number 19. Milk white. See the weave in the lower border. One side will have this Nokshi broad mohapar in the daman. The upper part will have the sleek border. See, I'm wearing it with a black blouse. It gives a different look. This is the pallu. See the milk white color, and of course when you wear it with this slate color blouse piece, this is the real beauty. Do you like it? Please leave a comment. And you can please recommend your friends if you want these products. 2200, similar type that I am wearing. These are the colors available. It just looks like a Manipuri woven sari, but it's in cotton with these horizontal weaves. To see the weave in red and orange. Pallu. 2200 rupees Bengal cotton with, it will go like this throughout. This red will have a contrast yellow blouse piece. A lovely yellow blouse piece with this contrast red color. Sari 2200 only, 2200. So let me tell you what I am wearing. I am wearing also a cotton, pure cotton. So this is the sari. These will be the weaves. My sari will have a running blouse. So it is just running along with the sari, but that's why I wanted to wear a plain Chandeli cotton woven blouse. These blouse pieces also available in my store. This is the pallu, 2200 in pure cotton, in white, grey, red combination. So this is the sari. And the jewelry that I am wearing, this neck piece along with the earring is 2200, 2200 the neck piece along with the earring, 2200. So I'll show you similar type, different color, another color, 2200. This is the charcoal grey, charcoal black color, same that I am wearing. This is also a very rich color. Pallu, 2200 pure cotton for summer, and it has a very elegant, a classy look because you are wearing Bengal cotton handloom, and these are woven beauties. It looks very different once you wear it, and very maintenance free, minimum maintenance. So this is also has a running blouse piece, so you can wear it with a black blouse itself. Just see, I'm just holding it with a black blouse. I think with black blouse also it will look very nice. Only 2200 and very good quality. The last one, product number 22, the last one of this concept is in light ash and lemon yellow. All the colors are rich and gorgeous. And I tell you, wear this horizontal stripes because it will really look nice. It's all optical illusions, I feel. I mean, I love wearing horizontal stripes, and I recommend my customers to wear horizontal stripes. It really look nice. This is the sari with this blouse piece. So thank you so much for watching. Once you message, you will get the reply within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Namaskar.